Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope so you all are fine and healthy. Today, we are going to start our study, and the first chapter of EVS is My Body. Means, in this chapter, we will learn about the different parts of our body and their function. As we all know that our body is a wonderful machine which has been created by the Almighty God. We will start from our upper part, that is head. We will start with the eyes. Here there is a picture given of the eyes. It is in pair, means हमारी दो आँखें होती हैं. We have two eyes and the function of the eyes is to see. Now you all know that many things are there around, but we can see that things only if we have eyes. We can see the different colors, we can see the different animals around us, we can see different types of foods and different things. So what the function of eyes? Yes, very good. We can see through it the whole world with beautiful colors and everything which is around us. Means हम अपनी आँखों से अलग अलग चीज़ें देख सकते हैं, हम अलग अलग कलर देख सकते हैं, right? So it is very important to have an eyes. Now we'll move further. What is it? Who will answer me? Yes, very good. It is ear. Now who will tell me what the function of ear? Yes, very good. We can listen with the ears. Now we all know that whenever your mother call you or in the classroom teacher call you your name, we hear it with the help of the ears. We have also two ears which help us to hear melodious song, the chirping of birds and everything happening around us. Means हम अपने कानों से अलग अलग टाइप्स के साउंड सुन सकते हैं और उसके सामने उस तरह से रिएक्ट कर सकते हैं. ओके, गॉट इट? नाउ विल मूव फर्दर. Here it is another picture. What that girl is doing in the given picture? Who will tell me? Yes, very good. That girl is smelling a flower. Now you all know that how flowers smell. It is very good, and we all like to smell good things, such as whenever your mom is preparing food in kitchen, and if you are sitting in the drawing room, you can smell it and you will have desire to eat it. It is only possible due to our nose. Even if we are doing puja, at that time we also light up the incense stick, means agarbatti jalate, right? So it fragrance spread out in the whole room and we all like to smell that fragrance. So what is the function of nose? We can smell different things, right, around, like perfume, smell of the that fragrance of the flower, etc etc. So हमारे नाक का क्या काम है? Yes, very good, to smell. Now we'll move further on the next part of our body. I think by looking at this picture your mouth will start watering, right? आपके मुंह में पानी आ जाएगा, right? Yes, in the given picture the boy is eating an ice cream. But how we know that what the given food is, what the taste of the given food? Even though if our eyes are closed and if we touch that particular food with our tongue, we come to know what is that food is, right? If it is sweet, we can recognize it. If it is sour in taste, we can get it. If it is sweet, means in short, we can say that we can identify the different taste with the help of our tongue, right? So what the function of the tongue? We can taste with it. हम उसे खाना चख सकते हैं और उसका टेस्ट का पता लगा सकते हैं, right? Okay, very good. Now we'll move further on the next part of our body. What that girl is doing in the given picture? Who will answer me? Yes, that girl is going to bite that apple. But by which thing that girl will bite? With the help of teeth. So I am going to tell you the function of the teeth. Now you all know that mostly the adult have 32 teeth, and all teeth are of different types, right? Okay, so what the function of teeth? We can bite the thing and we chew it. Whenever we are eating our food, we must chew our food properly, then only we should swallow it. It will help in digestion, मीन्स हमारा खाना पचाने में वो हेल्प करेंगे. हम जितना अच्छी तरह से चबाएंगे उतना जल्दी हमारा खाना डाइजेस्ट होगा पेट में, अदरवाइज इट विल नॉट डाइजेस्ट प्रॉपरली. सो व्हाट द फंक्शन ऑफ टीथ? इट विल हेल्प यू टू bite the food, to cut it and to chew it properly. That is the function of our teeth. Now children, look at the image. It is an image of a hand full of colors. So now who will tell me what the function of the hand? Yes, very good. We can hold the different things. हम अपने हाथों से अलग अलग चीज़ें पकड़ सकते हैं. We can write with the help of hand. अगर आप पेंसिल को पकड़ोगे ही नहीं तो लिख कैसे पाओगे, right? We can draw different things with the help of our hand. So what the function or the work of our hand? It used to hold the different things. हम अलग अलग चीज़ों को हमारे हाथों से हम अच्छी तरह से पकड़ सकते हैं. Very good. This is the picture of a leg. We have two legs, right? In the previous picture was of hand. We have two hands also, right? And now what is the function of leg? Who will tell me? Yes, very good. We use legs to walk, to run, to play football. We stand with the help of our legs. Now, those who don't have legs, they can't stand. Many of the people are disabled now. They are not having legs, so they can't stand or they can't run. We all are lucky to have legs and other parts of the body. We must take care of all the parts of our body, right? So the function of the leg is to walk, to run, to play, and it perform different function.